Hello everybody, we have an exciting one today. I have my giveaway prize from Sarah, aka Pumpkin's Nail Station. Now I was excited enough as it was because it was the Burano polygel kit and everybody knows how excited I've been to get that and try it. But Sarah informed me she's put a few wee extras in too, so I'm even more excited. So we're going to open this and see what's inside. Sorry for the rustling. Oh look, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Right, okay, hold on. I like cards. I keep them all. All the cards I get, they're all on display in my nail room. Sprinkle around your awesomeness. Oh, thank you. That's lovely. It totally ties in with my video theme. I don't know if that was on purpose or not, Sarah, but very clever. Oh my goodness. Oh look, it's these stencils from She Modern. They're reusable, do you know, you can put them on your nail and like paint round them, paint the shapes. Straight line of it. Thank you. They're very cool because you can reuse them. You just clean them off and reuse them. Yeah, I'll put that back in after. There's two. Thank you very much, Sarah. These are always handy. Always, always, always. So they will be getting some use just shortly. I'm just going to put them in my jar right now. I don't know where to start. Oh look, well, make sure you can see these. That's such a pretty colour. Oh, they're nice. They're the wee 2mm ones too. That's the ones I use the most. Oh, I've got 2 packets of them. Thank you so much. And the wee teardrops. Oh, they're lovely. They're like a lilac colour. Oh, they're so nice. I've never tried nail art before. So that'll be cool. And I'm assuming this is Vicky's glitters. Oh no, Glitter Alchemy. I like the name of that colour, the company. Gingerbread cookie. Look at that, that is perfectly named. It's gorgeous. See, these are my kinds of colours, in case you can't tell. It's what's on my nails most of the time. Love this. There isn't a name on it, but I still love it. This one. Oh, this one. Look. I think that'll be getting used rather quickly. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. And this. This is just screaming party nails. Do you know, for New Year or something? Total party nails. This one. Now, I'm a water baby and I like, you know, underwater themed manis, and I think this would be quite good for something like that. I don't know if it's picking up properly, but the colours that are in it, it reflects green. Obviously there's the blue in it, but it looks like a sandy kind of colour as well. Oh, I love it. Thank you very much, Sarah. Look at this. Festival. Try to make sure you can see it as well as I can. Oh, that's so nice. And it's wee hexes, it's not the chunkier ones, so they're great to use with gel polish because I don't use acrylic. Geode. That's perfectly named as well. Look at this. See all the different facets, and there is a few, they're not chunky, but there is a few bigger hexes in there. That is lovely. That is really nice. I can't make up my mind if it's a pink or a lilac or a silver or if it's just everything. Kind of matches the wrapping paper. Thank you, Sarah. That was so, so nice. Oh, I'm well impressed. I like getting presents. Right, And dun dun dun, now it's time to open the polygel. Usually I would pick a pick paper because I didn't like ripping it, especially when it's pretty. But today, no, I'm just going to haul it off. Sorry if I'm setting your wrapping skills, Sarah, but too excited to pick it off. Look! White, clear, light pink, dark pink. They actually look like really good colours as well. Right, let me see, let me see. Sorry about the rattling. In fact, I'll come back in a wee minute. Oh look, how cool is that? Your present. I like the plainness of the box. Oh look, 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 look. Right, what is this? Turn this over to learn how to get replacement insurance. Oh. Oh, that's good. That's... Can you see that? Can you read that? That's good. Right, okay. Instruction kit. Now, obviously, I use polygel on a regular basis, but I've never used this stuff, so I will be having a read of this before I start. But it's not a review, so I'm not going through everything with you. This is not a review, this is an unboxing. Look. Clear. That's my usual. 9 times out of 10 it's clear that I use. In fact, I've got clear open, so I'm not going to open that right now. What I don't have is any colours open. White. Now, white's notoriously hard to work with, but I'm definitely going to give it a try because I've seen people do, do you know, like the baby boomer type fade? I've seen people do it with the polygel, and I'd really like to try it because I don't like anything getting past me, as you all know. Light pink and dark pink. I want to open the dark pink because I think that's one that I would use quite a lot. It's like a nude, I hope. Well, it's not very dark, but I think once it's cured and filed and buffed, that would be a really nice colour on the nails that you probably wouldn't have to paint over if you didn't want to. Do you know, you could get away with just leaving that, stick a top coat on it and do your nail art. So we shall be trying that one. As I say, this is an unboxing. It's not a video showing you me using it or building my nails from it or anything like that. It's just an unboxing. Here we go with the light pink. Now that is a bit brighter. Yeah, it is lighter, but it's quite a bright, yeah, bright pink. It's more white based. It's nice though. And let me see the white. I don't know why I'm looking, because I've just seen the consistency of those and I know what white looks like, but this is hard. These are actually fake nails. It's not like built up or anything, it's just wee fake nails because I knew this was coming, so I didn't want to build my nails and then have to soak them off, so it's just wee stick-on ones now. That doesn't look too thick. Do you know how sometimes you can open a polygel and it's like really hard to squeeze out? This isn't. So yeah, I think I'm going to enjoy these. Let's see what else comes in the box. Okay, so we have slip solution, creative nail solution. I want to see if it smells. Tightly sealed, keep out of sunshine. Precisely follow directions. Okay, let me have a sniff. Oh, what a cool bottle that is. If I can open it, that would be handy. But it's good that it's so tightly sealed. No smell, it just smells like water. Which is nothing. That was a bit of a stupid statement. Right, I've got a base coat and a top coat. Perfect. A primer. I don't usually use primer if I'm honest, because I don't really have problems with lifting anymore. I used to a few years ago, but I think because I'm taking better care of my nails and my cuticles in general, and obviously you learn along the way, so I don't have much lifting nowadays, but it's still handy. 100, 180, 100, 180. I like these files. Yeah, it's nice and soft and squishy, but again, like I said in my other video, I'm not going to take these out because I've already got some in rotation and I don't want to have loads out at a time, so that'll be going away for the time being. Geoforms. Geoforms are hit or a miss with me. I can use them, but sometimes they're quite hard to work with. Right, let me see. What nail would that fit? That one maybe? Yeah, side to side. Now it's got quite a dominant curve. I don't know if you can see that, but because of the light, but there's a big gap between my nail and that curve. So I think these might be too curved for my nails because my own nails aren't that curved. No chance. So I think these might be too curved for me. But we'll see. I'm not very good at using geoforms anyway. I tend to use tips because that's my preference. But we have some normal forms as well. Now these I'm more interested in. Yes. These will be more useful to me, I think. Definitely. If you saw my video fixing this nail, just to give me enough length to be able to use it. I like those forms for that. Right, let me see. A brush. I desperately need a new polygel brush. Come on, hands, work. There we go. Don't know if you noticed my other one the last time I used it on video, but it's well past its sell-by date. Oh, that's nice and firm. One of the spatulas I had before, it wobbled every time you touched it. Do you know, it was really flimsy, but this is pretty firm. Ooh, that's nice. I'm not even going to put this away again because I'm going to use it. My other one really is done. So I'm going to use this and keep it out. I like that. Very nice. Does anybody have any hints and tips about properly cleaning a polygel brush? I mean, obviously I know how to clean my nail art brushes and such, but I really struggle cleaning the poly. I don't know why I'm putting that away, I'm keeping it out. I really struggle cleaning the polygel. So if anybody's got hints and tips on that for me, I'd be very grateful to hear it. So I'm going to put all this back in, and then I will be starting to film a whatchamacallit, a demo. It's not a review, I'm not reviewing this product, I'm just going to enjoy it. But I will film me doing the nails for the first time because I'm really excited to show you. But it's not a review. I'm afraid I'm just going to enjoy the product, enjoy my win, and not stress about it being a review and all that. So, there we go. That is my unboxing done. Thank you so much to Sarah for my wee extras as well. Actually, Sarah has another giveaway going on just now. So if you pop over to her YouTube or her Instagram, Pumpkins Nail Station, and enter her other giveaway, fabulous by the way. We also have glitter sparkle nail designs. She and her hubby are doing a giveaway as well, so go over to their channel later on and have a wee look and see theirs. I can't think of any more right now, but if I do think any more giveaways that are going on just now, I'll leave it in the comments for you, because this is the kind of thing that you get, so it's so worth entering. Hello, Editing Faye here. There is another giveaway going on over on Umnua's Wish channel. I'm going to link all three of these channels down below, so make sure you go and check them all out. Bye. Thank you very much, Sarah. Love you lots. Mwah.